So after some adjustments, today we're going to see if this wood splitting drill bit can finally work. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here next to my wood pile and my wood splitting drill bit, or at least that's what they call it. I have not gotten it to work, but thanks to the interactive portion of this channel, you guys have suggested that I use this on the log on the end, kind of drilling in at the very end and split it lengthwise that way. So I thought we'd give that a try and see if this little drill bit here will actually finally split wood. Okay, so for some of you that were watching me last time, I was putting it on the side here and then trying to drill in there, and I was just making holes and it wasn't splitting. But what you have suggested is put it up like this and now drill into the bottom. You can actually see there are some cracks there, so that's kind of promising. And what I think I will do is I will try to start in one of these cracks. So there's a little crack right here. I'm going to give this the best chance to work. So let's try it out, and let's see if we can get this guy to work. Okay, still just making holes. I'm not sure if the grooves aren't sharp enough or deep enough to really grab, or if the wood is just too hard. So let's try a different piece of wood, and here's something. I don't know what kind of wood this is, but maybe slightly softer. So I'm just gonna step on it here and go in on this side. I mean, I'm actually getting a little smoke where it is burning into it, but it's just not grabbing and going in. So let me see if I can find something that I think is maybe the least dense wood here. Something like this. This wood actually looks a little ragged even, and I have a pretty big split there, big enough that I can put the tip in already. So let's see if I can get it caught in here and split this piece. Man, I am pushing. Come on, baby. Grab. All right. I will tell you what. I have made like a pencil tip size hole here, but I haven't split any of these, and I don't feel like I should have to go and really sort through my wood to get this working. Now, maybe different bits here work differently or are shaped differently, but I'll tell you what, my hatchet is much more reliable and consistent than this. So again, still haven't had any luck. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know, but I will happily try this again. But until then, it's back to the old reliable hatchet. I'll put a link to this in the description though if you want to pick it up. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than